San Francisco wasn't built to be stable. It was built on earthquakes, gold rushes, and radical ideas. In 1849, fortune seekers flooded this small coastal settlement during the California Gold Rush. In just 1 year, the population exploded from hundreds to tens of thousands. Overnight, San Francisco became a city of risk, and risk never left. In 1906, a massive earthquake, followed by fires, destroyed around 80% of the city. More than 3,000 people died. Most cities wouldn't recover from that. San Francisco rebuilt itself anyway. Today, fewer than 1 million people live here, surprisingly small for a city with such global influence. But impact isn't measured in size. This is the birthplace of modern tech power. Just south of the city lies Silicon Valley, home to companies that reshaped how the world communicates, works, and thinks. Trillions of dollars in market value were created within driving distance of these hills, and yet San Francisco feels anything but corporate. Victorian houses painted in pastels climb impossibly steep streets. Some roads have gradients over 30%, making them among the steepest in the United States. Cable cars still run through the city, a system that started in 1873 and survived when almost every other city replaced theirs. Alcatraz sits in the bay, once holding some of America's most notorious criminals. The Golden Gate Bridge, opened in 1937, was once the longest suspension bridge in the world and nearly bankrupted the city during construction. On a clear day, the view from Twin Peaks stretches across the entire bay, a reminder that this city was built between water, hills, and tectonic fault lines. San Francisco is contradiction, one of the wealthiest regions on Earth and one of the highest costs of living. Billion-dollar startups rising beside visible homelessness, innovation and inequality existing on the same block. Fog rolls in like a curtain. Locals even gave it a name, Carl. It cools the city while the rest of California burns in summer heat. This is not a city that follows rules. It was the center of the 1960s counterculture movement. It helped shape LGBTQ+ rights in America. It consistently votes differently, thinks differently, builds differently. San Francisco doesn't try to be mainstream. It experiments. Sometimes it fails. Sometimes it changes the world. And that's the real identity of this city. Not gold, not bridges, not startups. Risk. If you want to explore the world's most influential cities in just a few minutes, subscribe and choose the next destination.